It's Patrick at Pals. Ford Thunderbird. Beautiful cars. This is a 1957. I want you to take a look at the detail inside this engine compartment. Look at the shine on that air cleaner. Look at the valve covers. It says it all. This is a Ford Y-block. The Y-block came after the flathead Ford V8. These were used from the early 50s until the early 60s. Take a look at how the distributor is in the back and it's on an angle. In later years, they went up on the front, but you can see this engine isn't configured that way. Also, take a look down here. This is a generator. It doesn't have an alternator, it's got a generator. It generates power to the battery and recharges it. Okay? Here's your heater blower motor in the engine compartment. But look at how clean this car is. If you've got a 1957 Ford Thunderbird, bring it to Pals. See you soon.